can't.
All righty. Well, tomorrow we're going to visit friends
Yes.
at Heritage Animal Hospital.
We're going to learn a little bit more about vet techs.
Bless you. Sorry.
Bless you. You see, I was like, I can't get sick. Sorry.
I felt that coming and I couldn't stop it.
Gesundheit.
Tomorrow in Good Pets, learn about vet techs.
Absolutely.
Excuse me. Gesundheit to me. Until tomorrow.
I hope you have a good day.
I couldn't.